Welcome to HRC Racing, your partner for high quality tools and accessories in RC control hobby. In this video we will introduce you to some of our best products designed to make your soldering task easier and more efficient. Let's start with the multi-hand soldering octopus station with 4 arms. Item number HRC 488A. This is the perfect companion for precise soldering. With 4 adjustable arms and crocodile clips, you can hold your components while soldering. The copper rule and sponge help to keep the soldering station tip clean. Next we have HRC soldering station 58 watt. Item number HRC 4091B, an efficient station designed for RC pilots. It heats up in just a few minutes, and the inline soldering tip ensures excellent heat transfer, making it easy to solder connectors, cables, motors and controllers. For frequent soldering tasks, we recommend the HRC Fusion Pro soldering station 240 volt 80 watt, item number HRC 4092P. With 80 watts of power, it heats up the soldering station tip quickly and maintains a constant temperature thanks to the built-in temperature controller. The display shows the current temperature. The included standby mode function allows to run the station for extended use. For on-the-go repairs, we offer the HRC soldering stick 12 volt LiPo 3S. Item number HRC 4094. This soldering iron can be powered by a 3S LiPo battery or a 12 volt power source, making it perfect for repairs on the go. With 60 watts of power and a battery plug connection, you can work flexibly. Our range is completed with the HRC Racing Silver Solder 4% silver. Item number HRC 5401B. This lead-free solder contains silver for extremely low resistance, as well as special composite flux for better flow, and is ideal for serious model makers. You will love it.